Horses out while Desire to Excel came out of the gate a little bit late. We have Italia, the leader, by about 2 lengths. Mike, some lady in second. Just right now, moving up to take second. And in fourth now, Teresa's Magic. Charge forward, Red at Water. Holy Trish, and a long way back to De Vega. And Desire to Excel is racing in last. And going along for the first turn, we have Italia, the leader, by about 2 lengths. Just right now, moving up to take second. And in third, Teresa's Magic. Mike, some ladies racing in fourth. And in fifth now is Holy Trish. Down in sixth position is Charge Forward. De Vega and Desire to Excel still racing in last. Now we have Just Right. Takes the lead down on the inside is Italia. Once again, Italia running by the Just Right on the outside. Teresa's Magic in third, and here comes Holy Trish. Now coming closer in third. Italia followed by Just Right in second. Holy Trish now coming closer in third. But it's still Italia followed by Just Right. Holy Trish now on the outside as they come down at the last 150. Italia is still in front, followed now by Holy Trish in second. Just Right, Mike, some lady, but it's still Italia by about 4 lengths over Holy Trish, Mike, some lady. And nearing the finish line, it's all number 2, Italia. Second is Holy Trish, Mike, some lady, Just Right. Then comes Red at Water.